In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and make the most out of your customer feedback by skillfully using tools like Excel or Copilot to upload, analyze, and derive actionable insights. Let's get started by walking you through the entire process from uploading your data to making informed decisions based on the feedback you've received. First, you need to gather all the customer feedback data at your disposal. This could include surveys, reviews, or any other form of feedback your customers have provided. Your goal is to get all this data organized in one place, which will make it a lot easier to upload to Excel or Copilot later on. Once you've collated this data, the next step is to prepare it for upload. Open Excel or Copilot, whichever you're more comfortable with or have decided is best suited for your needs. Each platform has its own method for uploading data, so start by following the prompts or instructions to import your feedback. In Excel, this often involves opening a new worksheet and using the data import functionality to pull in your feedback files. Ensure that your data is neatly organized in columns, making it easier for any subsequent analysis. Now, if you're using Copilot, you can take advantage of its advanced features to get a head start on analyzing your data. Ask Copilot to summarize the sentiments and highlight the key points from your customer feedback. Copilot excels at sentiment analysis, distilling large volumes of text into easily understandable insights. This step helps you quickly grasp the overall mood and primary concerns of your customers without having to comb through potentially overwhelming amounts of text. Once Copilot has generated these insights, take some time to review them. This is a critical step as it allows you to validate the AI-generated insights and ensure they align with the broader context of your business goals and customer expectations. You might want to cross-reference these findings with specific customer reviews or survey responses to ensure accuracy and to add any nuances the AI might have missed. After thoroughly reviewing the insights, it's time to export these findings into a report format that can be used for further decision-making. Both Excel and Copilot offer export features. Excel has robust support for generating reports and charts, while Copilot may offer tailored report templates depending on your feedback analysis. Choose the format that aligns with your needs, be it PDF, CSV, or another format. These reports can then be shared with team members, decision makers, or other stakeholders who may benefit from understanding your customer sentiments and feedback. By following these steps, you're well on your way to transforming raw customer feedback into meaningful insights that can guide your business strategies and decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing.